And now we have an opportunity to collaborate and work with you, with the Ministry of Human Resources for digital talent development. The digital skills are increasingly required not only for industry and economic development, but also for workers' adaptation to changing world work, the era of greater uncertainty. I echo the point mentioned by Director General Mr. Shakib. The technology advancement and adaptations are rapidly reshaping our work. These are impacting not only those who are engaged and working in the high-end of IT industries or related jobs. Many workers across the different sectors are expected to work with digital technology or other type of technology and then understand those technologies at least to some extent. So in this context, instructors and trainers of the skill development in Tibet play such a critical role in teaching those digital skills and competencies for current and future workers. In order to develop the digital talent systematically, it is important to identify target digital competencies for both trainers and trainees. Today, we will learn an initiative of the European Union and that of the UK. I would like to take the opportunity to thank two speakers, in particular, Ms. Vicky Liu-Jie and my colleague, Karim Sonio, who is working in the ILO skills branch in the headquarters, Geneva. So there are two key elements to be considered for development of a digital competence framework. First, the framework needs to be not dynamic because the digital skill needs to keep changing. This leads to also our importance of lifelong learning and a continuous professional development of Tibet instructors. On the other hand, I should note that there are some core skills required despite the changing specific skills needs. The second element is about the inclusiveness. It should contribute to the skill development of women and people in vulnerable situations. The pandemic, with long periods of strict lockdown, has accelerated to some extent, or maybe perhaps a large extent, the digitization of Tibet, with increased provision of the online education and training. But as you know, that this has also highlighted, however, existing digital divide and widen, in fact, existing learning gap among students and trainees. We will need to explore the fullest potential of technological progress by reducing digital divide between people and countries. The further utilization of the digital technology may take Tibetan skills training institutions more accessible, increasing their flexibilities. So we hope that today's seminar will contribute to the development of a dynamic and inclusive digital talent development. The ILO will keep working together with Malaysian partners to take on this huge but important endeavor through the Skill SOP Malaysia and then other initiatives. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Manpower Department for co-hosting this event today. And I also like to thank all representatives from government and the Tibetan Skills Training Institution for participating in today's seminars. I'm so impressed with the large number of participants today, over 400. So, and once again, I'd like to appreciate and then thank the British High Commission for continuing their support for this program. And with this, I wish you fruitful discussions and a good learning for enhancing the digital talent development in Malaysia today. Thank you very much. Terima kasih.